everyone, how you doing? So I have just wrapped up the filming of my orchid haul video and I wanted to quickly make another one because I wanted to take a moment to have a bit of a chat. And I've got some notes here. I didn't want to forget anything, so I don't mean to be rude. If I glance down at my notes, it's just because I'm just trying not to forget anything. So I wanted to talk about me and this channel, and I guess properly introduce myself along the way, because a lot of you don't know who I am, and how would you? So, as you know, my name is Sharon Carpenter. I work full-time in IT, so I have had an IT career for 25 years, and I really enjoy it. I'm also a volunteer medical first responder. I have been doing that job for 17 years, so it's not uncommon for me to be seen around Melbourne in a medical uniform, doing first response at things like music festivals, events, whether it be football, whether it be school fetes or community events. And I'm also a certified trainer, so I teach other medical first responders how to do the job. And I love that. That's a huge passion of mine. And none of that has to do with plants. Separate to that, I do have my plants, and a huge passion of mine is plants. I think you got that much. And over the last probably 18 months, I have been working on something, and that something is called Rare Roots of Joy. It's a business, and I'm so happy to say it launched last month. It's a quiet launch. I haven't gone out with a huge marketing campaign to say, come here, buy my stuff. Although if you want to, go to Rare Roots of Joy and buy my stuff. No, but all of that has meant that I have not really been able to dedicate time to get the cadence of videos out that I want to get out on this channel. Orchids is a relatively new thing for me. Aside from my phalaenopsis, I've only really had orchids now for about a year and a half. And over that time, I've managed to expand my collection relatively quickly, and I've enjoyed every moment of it, but I haven't been able to churn out the videos. And part of what I'm doing with Rare Roots of Joy is I have started a different YouTube channel, and that has been getting a cadence of at least one video a week. And when I mean video, I mean long form. There's shorts there, there's community posts there, and I need to be really dedicated and strict with myself to get content going on that channel. And I'm just overwhelmed by the response so far on that channel. Honestly, I'm pretty overwhelmed with the response on this channel too. But that one will remain my main focus. That does not mean that I am giving up this channel. Oh, no, sorry. But this is more of a vlog style channel because I'm still learning. So I'm documenting my journey as I go, and as I learn things and as I do things and as I work, I will love to share. And that's what I hope to do, because I want to be of service to this community in both the plant space more generally and specifically the genre of the orchids. So what does that mean? Well, that means that I'm going to try and get a lot more short form content out on this channel, or shorter videos. They won't be lengthy, they won't be 20 minutes long, because they do take a little bit of time to produce. Quick hits, quick turnover, and as I get time, hopefully every couple of weeks, I will be able to churn out something a little bit longer. As for Rare Roots of Joy, I just want to see it going from strength to strength. YouTube is not a business plan, but it's definitely part of my strategy to provide value and service to customers, potential customers, and to the community at large. I'm not doing it because I'm going to make money off it, not directly anyway. Even if I get to the point where I monetize the channel, and I'd like to, I don't expect that to be my income. My income will be derived from other sources. Plant sales, I'd like to publish a plant journal. I might, with my IT background, even be able to take a plant app to market, and one that doesn't frustrate the ever-living snot cakes out of me. Out of all the ones that I've used, they're all frustrating in some degree. I have a software development background. So who knows, maybe a plant app will be in my future. I don't know. I don't know what the future holds. None of us do. But I know that I'm in this for the long haul, both with my orchids and with my new business. Not giving up my day job yet. I really do enjoy it, but I have to be smart with my time. Now, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your support of the channel and of me personally, because some of you have become friends, and I cherish that very much. So onwards and upwards, Let's get some content out and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.